Hello everyone, welcome to Ielts. This video is going to be classic, as here in this video I'm going to share some very useful idioms which you can use in speaking to improve your band score. And beware, you cannot use idioms in writing, means while writing your essay in writing task 2, because idioms are very informal and are not meant to be used in an academic essay, which is generally supposed to be written using a formal language. So the first one we have is hardwired. Hardwired means automatically thinking or behaving in a particular way. Means if I am hardwired to do a particular thing, it means that I have been made in such a way that I automatically do such thing. Example is, babies are hardwired to pay attention to anything that is fast moving, brightly colored or loud. Another example might be youngsters are hardwired to take interest in celebs. Youngsters are hardwired to take decisions without much thinking. Coming to the second idiom, spitting image. The meaning is the exact double of another person. If we are spitting image of any other person, then it means that we are exactly similar to that person. Example, she is the spitting image of her mom. You can use it in a cue card, in the speaking cue card, which is talk about a person you like to resemble or you like to be similar to when you were young. So you can use this idiom in the same cue card, that I wanted to be the spitting image of my grandmother or the mother, the person you are going to describe in the cue card. Now the third cue card is chilled to the bone or chilled to the marrow. Anyone chilled to the bone or chilled to the marrow, meaning is to frighten someone very much. If something frightens you, it means that it chills you to the marrow. Example is, this is the film that chilled me to the marrow, or this film chilled me to the marrow, or the incident chilled me to the marrow. Fourth one, and the very common one, is over the moon or in the seventh heaven, which is used to describe the state of happiness. If you are over the moon, it means that you are very happy. If you are in seventh heaven, it means the same. The example is, he was over the moon about his new smartphone, or when he listened he is going to buy a new smartphone, he was over the moon, or he was in the seventh heaven. Or when I heard about my result, I was in the seventh heaven. Another important idiom is to be flat broke. Meaning is have no money at all. So if you are flat broke, it means that you don't have money. Example is, sorry, I can't help you. I am flat broke. I am flat broke means I have no money. Next important idiom is cut from the same cloth. If two people cut from the same cloth, it means that they are very similar. So it's basically used for the people who are very similar. Example is, my son and I cut from the same cloth. Seventh one is fit like a glove. If something fits you like a glove, means a dress. If some dress fits you like a glove, you can say that the dress fits me like a glove, and it's used for dresses only basically. And the eighth one is a couch potato. Couch potato is the term which is used to describe a person who keeps on sitting on a sofa and watching TV. Basically he watches too much TV or for a longer period of time. That is why he's called couch potato. Ninth one is green with envy, which means jealous. So if someone is green with envy, if you are saying that he is green with envy, it means that we are saying that he is jealous. Example is, she was green with envy when she saw my new car, or means that she was jealous when she saw the car. So the example is, she was green with envy when she saw my new car. 10th is caught between two tools. It's basically used to describe the situation of confusion, means you use that I am caught in between two tools if you find yourself unable to decide or choose among between two alternatives. So the meaning is unable to choose between two alternatives. Example is, should I buy shirt or jeans? I am caught between two tools. Or after my 10th examination, I was caught between two tools because I was unable to decide whether I should take commerce or science. Next one is a piece of cake, which means with something very easy to do. So if the task is very easy, you say that it's a piece of cake. Example, playing the guitar is a piece of cake for me. Or if something is not a piece of cake, you say that it's not easy. The example is getting a government job is not a piece of cake. 12th and another important idiom is cost an arm and a leg. So if you are saying that something costs you an arm and a leg, you are saying that the thing is extremely expensive. Example, I'll buy a new car even if it costs me an arm and a leg. Second example, renovation of this old room will cost you an arm and a leg. Third example, education in a private school costs an arm and a leg. So if something costs an arm and a leg, then it means that the thing is really very expensive. Thank you for watching again, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it.